I'm your host, Sigmund, and I'm excited to delve into this topic that has significant implications for our understanding of human thought, emotion, and behavior. So, what is cognitive penetrability? In simple terms, it refers to the idea that our thoughts, feelings, and actions are influenced by external factors, such as our environment, social interactions, and expectations. This concept suggests that our cognitive processes are not entirely internal, but rather they are shaped by the world around us. To understand cognitive penetrability, let's take a brief look at its theoretical background. This concept has its roots in various psychological theories, including social learning theory, cognitive behavioral theory, and ecological psychology. Key researchers, such as Albert Bandura, Aaron Beck, and James Gibson, have contributed significantly to our understanding of how external factors influence our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. One of the key findings in the field of cognitive penetrability is that our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our cognitive processes. For example, research has shown that people who live in areas with high levels of pollution tend to have higher levels of anxiety and stress. This is because the environmental stimuli, such as noise and air pollution, can affect our nervous system and influence our emotional state. Another important aspect of cognitive penetrability is social influence. Our social interactions and relationships can significantly impact our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. For instance, studies have shown that people who are surrounded by supportive and positive social networks tend to have better mental health outcomes than those who lack such support. Understanding this concept can help us make positive changes in our lives. For example, if we recognize that our environment is contributing to our stress levels, we can take steps to modify our surroundings or develop coping strategies to mitigate the negative effects. Additionally, being aware of social influences can help us build stronger, more supportive relationships and avoid toxic or detrimental social interactions. In therapeutic settings, cognitive penetrability is a crucial concept. Therapists often use cognitive behavioral therapy to help clients identify and challenge negative thought patterns that are influenced by external factors. By acknowledging and addressing these influences, individuals can work towards more adaptive coping strategies and improved mental health outcomes. To illustrate this concept in action, consider the case of a person struggling with anxiety. Through CBT, they may come to realize that their anxious thoughts are partly driven by negative self-talk and catastrophic thinking patterns, which are influenced by their social environment and past experiences. By becoming more aware of these external influences, they can learn to challenge and modify their maladaptive thought patterns, leading to reduced anxiety and improved well-being. As we explore the concept of cognitive penetrability, it's essential to acknowledge its relationship with other psychological concepts, such as emotional regulation, self-efficacy, and neuroplasticity. Emotional regulation refers to our ability to manage and modulate our emotional responses to external stimuli. Self-efficacy, on the other hand, is our confidence in our ability to control our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself in response to new experiences, also plays a critical role in cognitive penetrability. Recent research has highlighted the importance of neuroplasticity in shaping our cognitive processes. Studies have shown that our brains are highly adaptable, and that external factors can influence the structure and function of our brains. For example, research on mindfulness meditation has demonstrated that regular practice can lead to changes in brain activity and structure, resulting in improved emotional regulation and reduced stress. By embracing the concept of cognitive penetrability, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, ultimately becoming more compassionate, informed, and empowered individuals. In addition to its practical applications, understanding cognitive penetrability can also foster greater empathy and tolerance for others. By recognizing that people's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are shaped by their unique environmental and social contexts, we can develop a more nuanced appreciation for the complexities of human experience. This, in turn, can lead to more effective communication, cooperation, and conflict resolution in our personal and professional relationships. As you reflect on your own life, consider how cognitive penetrability might be influencing your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Are there any external factors that you're aware of that are shaping your experiences? How might you use this knowledge to make positive changes or cultivate greater self-awareness? That's all for today's Psych with Sigmund. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your ego find balance between pleasure and reality.